Are you still guessing how to start a new YouTube channel in this 2026? This completely set up guideline facing the exactly something that most beginners missing. So on this particular video, I'm going to take you to my screen where I will show you how to open a perfect YouTube channel, like a YouTube channel that you can start getting the engagement, getting view, how to set everything up to make your YouTube channel to work perfectly. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you get a notification. In today's video, I will show you how to create a brand new YouTube channel and set it up properly so it's ready to grow and become eligible for monetization in a future time. So if it is what you like to learn, follow me to my screen. Let me show you how to create the channel. So here we are going to see how we can create our working YouTube channel. So first of all, you all know say without a Gmail account, there's no way you can create a YouTube channel. So if you don't have one, go and register your Gmail account for it. And if you have one, congratulations. So let me show you how this thing work. First of all, you need to go download this YouTube app on your phone. Thank God some phone come with it follow come. So if your phone have it, just go ahead and open the app like this. So when you open the app like this, the reason why you are seeing this here is because I have plugged in one of my Gmail account with YouTube, which is I can just using it to like and comment, but I never create a channel with it. So first of all, let me show you in case you don't have a Gmail account, how to create a Gmail account through YouTube app is this. You are going to come in up here, click on the account. So when you click on the account, if you don't have a Gmail account, you are going to click on plus sign here. This plus sign you are seeing here, you are going to click on the plus sign. It's taking you to when you click on the plus sign, it's going to take you, even though you don't click the plus sign, you are going to see all the Gmail in your phone. So now when you click on the plus sign, it's going to asking you where to log in, and from there it will show you where to create a Gmail account. But today we are heading to how to create a YouTube channel. So now I have logged into one of my Gmail account that does not have a channel. So now where you see under my name here, Hussein Mohammed, you can see say the right create a channel. So I'm going to click on that create a channel. So now I open a create of a channel. You can see say here they're asking me, this is where I can put my picture. You edit your customized picture, like you get your picture like this, you set it well, then you save as profile picture. This picture is going to show on YouTube as my profile picture. Now here is my name, which is I can edit the name to any name I like. It's not order must that it must be the name in your Gmail. No, you can edit it to any name you like. So me personal, my nickname I used to use on my platform is Uncle OC. Then I save. Secondly, this is my handle. Like this handle is what the tag that people can link instantly to reach you on your channel. Like anywhere you put this handle, the moment they click on it, they will get to your channel. So now I can leave this handle like this and I can edit it to my satisfaction, but I love it like this at Uncle Oseni C2G. So now at Uncle OC C2G. So now you are going to ahead to click on create channel. Now the channel has been created. You can see now we have created a channel. So let me click. You can see my profile picture is now updated on my profile. So you can see it here. So now they can ask me to view a channel. Here I don't have any video. So when I view my channel, the channel will going to look like this. From here, if you have some video down, I advise anybody to create some video down before you create a channel so that you can be upload consistency. So now on your channel like this, you have a lot of things to set on your channel for your channel to be okay on YouTube. You have description of your channel, the type of niche that you are. You have a keyword setting and some other setting that I'm going to show you that should be on the next video. And if you want to follow me learn on this thing, you are going to see a link. I'm going to drop a link on this video here that can take you to a video where you can see how to to set your how to set your channel, which is can make it to visible on YouTube. Now if you upload, video can upload, but YouTube will not recommend your video to anybody because you did not set the channel normal. So on my next video, I don't want this video to long. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to edit a channel, to put a banner and other things, how you can do it before your channel can be visible for people on YouTube. So if it is what you like to follow me, like, do well by subscribe to this channel and share this video. Make sure say you like, comment where you are watching me from. Under the comment section, I'm going to drop in a link where you can watch a video how you can set your channel. Thank you and remain blessed.